Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to do exercise 2.2 class 11th mathematics. To get all the NCERT solutions, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it, and don't forget to press the notification bell to get all the upcoming updates. So let us start with exercise 2.2. So what is given in the question? Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and it is up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A by xy belongs to 3x minus y equal to 0, where x and y belongs to A. Write down its domain, codomain and range. So as we know कि यहाँ पे relation is 3x minus y equal to 0, or we can say that 3x is equal to y. So once we put the value of x as 1, if we take x equal to 1, then y will be 3 into 1 and it will be 3. So our first ordered pair will be 1, 3. Then our second ordered pair will be, if we put 2 instead of x will be 2, then y will be 6. When x is 3, then y will be 9. When x is 4, then y will be 12. 4 3 is 12. So जो भी आप x की वैल्यू रखेंगे उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करिए and you will get the value of y and your ordered pair will become like this. Now if we will put x equal to 5, then y will be 15, but you can check from here we have the number till 14, so that means कि we cannot take the value of x equal to 5. So this will be our relation r equal to 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. Now they are asking write down its domain. Okay, so as I told you, domain is what? Domain is set of all the first elements. तो यहाँ पे domain क्या हो जाएगा? Let us take all the first elements here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they are asking for codomain. So codomain will be the whole set. Codomain, right? So codomain will be the whole set A, right? Now come to the next, that is we have to find out the range. So as we know, range is the set of all the second element of ordered pair. So here we have 3, 6, 9 and 12. So we can say that set of 3, 6, 9 and 12 is the range for this question. Okay, so this was our first question. Let us move to the second question. So let us see what is given in the second question. Define a relation R. Now relation is not given, we have to define the set of n natural numbers by x, y is such that y is equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. Okay, x is a natural number less than 4 and the value of y will be depend on x. See, अगर x less than 4 है, that means we can take the value of x as 1, 2, 3 only. Natural number less than 4 है 1, 2, 3. So the value of y will become, yes, 1 plus 5, it will be 6. 2 plus 5, it will be 7. Then 3 plus 5, it will be 8. The ordered pair will become 1, 6, 2, 7 and 3, 8. Depict this relationship using roster form. Write down the domain and range. So let's see how to do this question. So here I have written this relation into the roster form. This is the roster form I have written. Now you have to find out domain and range of this. So we can say that domain of R domain of R is equal to set of all the first element, that is 1 2 3 here, and range of R is set of all the second elements. So 6 7 8, these elements, collection of these elements or set of these elements will be the range of this particular set, right? So in question number 3 we have A equal to 1 2 3 and 4. This is A set. B set is 4 6 and 9. Define a relation R from A to B by X Y is such that, in ordered pair, the difference between X and Y is odd. X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. Write R in the roster form. So we have to just take the elements from A and B, and then we have to take their difference. So what should be there? Difference between X and Y is odd. So we have to take only those elements जिनका डिफरेंस ऑड आए. तो ऑड डिफरेंस कब पॉसिबल है? जब एक इवन हो और एक ऑड नंबर हो. ओके, the difference can be odd only in that case when one number is odd and other number is even. For example, if I am taking 1 from here, 1 is odd and 4 is even. So yes, I can take it as 1 comma 4. Their difference will be 4 minus 1, 3. Right? And they are saying one more thing. We have to take first element from A and second element from B. Similarly, I can take 1 comma 6 as well. Okay, let me tell you how to do this question. See, I have written here that the difference between X and Y is odd. तो X और Y का अगर मुझे डिफरेंस ऑड चाहिए, दैट मीन्स कि एक एलिमेंट ऑड और एक एलिमेंट इवन होना ही चाहिए. सो आई एम टेकिंग 1 दैट इज ऑड फ्रॉम A. So if I am taking an odd number from A, I have to take even number from B. So even numbers are 4 and 6, right? So if even numbers are 4 and 6, then yes, I can take both with 1 here. So 1 comma 4 is first ordered pair and 1 comma 6 is the second ordered pair. Now come to the next, that is 2. अगर हम नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट पे जाएं तो यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट क्या है? 2 है, and 2 is an even number. So along with 2 I can take only an odd number, है ना? तो सेकेंड सेट में odd क्या है? 9. So yes, our next ordered pair will be 2 comma 9. Now come to the next element, that is 3 again. 3 is again an odd number. So I will take 2 even number from set B along with 3. So yes, we will have 3 comma 4 and 3 comma 6. So next ordered pair will be 3 comma 4 and then 3 comma 6. ओके, हम 3 के साथ 9 क्यों नहीं लेंगे? क्योंकि दो ऑड नंबर का डिफरेंस हमेशा इवन होता है. सो लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज 5. सो इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 5, तो 5 कैसा नंबर है? इट इज़ एन ऑड नंबर. सो वी हैव टू टेक इवन नंबर्स अलॉन्ग विद दैट. सो येस, वी विल टेक 4 and 6 अलॉन्ग विद 5. सो नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर्ड पेयर विल बी 5 comma 4. It will be 5 comma 4 and then 5 comma 6. So this is the relation in the roster form. So we get here 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 9, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 6, 5 comma 4 and 5 comma 6. So this is our question number 3. Let us do question number 4. So what is given in question number 4? See, we have the figure shows a relationship in question number 4. Yes, we have the figure 2.7. This is the figure given here. Shows the relationship between the sets of P and Q. So P और Q के बीच में यहाँ पे एक relationship given है. So we can say that 5 is related to 3, 6 is related to 4, 7 is related to 5. So what is given here? Yes, this is given the element of Q is always less than 2. ओके अगर हम P एलिमेंट में से P के किसी भी एलिमेंट में से, जैसे मैंने लिया 5, उसमें से मैं 3 को लेस करूँ, देन आई गेट 2 हेयर. Similarly, if I am taking 6 and I subtract from it 4 from it, then we will get 2 here. Similarly, 7 minus 5 equal to 2. So yes, we conclude that element of P is 2 more than element of Q. So they are saying ki write this in the set builder form and in the roster form, and what is the domain and range in that case. So let us do this question. So first of all, let us write the situation in the form of in the set builder form. So yes, we can write R is equal to we can write here in the set builder form R equal to x comma y, where y is equal to x minus 2. As you can see that in the second set, each and every element which relate to the element of P, that is 2 less than the element of P. So we can write it as y equal to x minus 2. But what is given here, we have only 5, 6 and 7 as x. So for that we can write 4 x equal to 5, 6, 7. We have only these 3 options for x, right? So this is our set builder form. Now next we have in this question, see, write in the set builder form and in the roster form. So we have to write it in this roster form as well. So how to write it in the roster form? See, if we are writing it in the roster form, it will be R is equal to first ordered pair will be 5, 3, then second ordered pair will be 6, 4, then third ordered pair will be 7, 5. So this is our roster form. Now the next thing we need to find out, you can see here, what is the domain and range. So we need to find out the domain of this question. Yes, domain of R here, we can say domain of R is equal to set of all the first elements, and first elements are 5, 6 and 7 here. Now range of R is equal to 3, 4 and 5. Yes, it will be 3, 4 and 5. So we have done this question number 4 as well, right? Rest question of this exercise, for that you can go to the next video and you can check there. So in this exercise we have done question number 1 to 4 from exercise 2.2. So if you have not subscribed this channel yet, subscribe it for the NCERT solutions, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay safe, stay healthy.